lost or can't find their relatives are more than 7.
It goes beyond 7. So I don't massage.
Abuza from Mamu na makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President.
Look straight into the eyes of our people and tell them the reality. No, I tell you, the truth is a bitter pill. And now, will be a phone lines, will be cars, and the attitude come. I agree. The attitude come and I must have no money in their cost. But
over 7,700 households displaced.
7,000.
Over 7,700 households displaced.
Hey.
7 missing. As June records highest monthly rainfall in Ghana's history. More than 7,700 households have been displaced. 7 persons remain missing following Monday's devastating floods. The Minister for the Interior has disclosed as he revealed that Ghana recorded its highest monthly rainfall on record in June 2026. Delivering a statement in Parliament on Tuesday, June 30th, Alhaji Mohammed Muntaka Mubarak said the downpour inundated several communities across capital, disrupting economic and social activities and affecting thousands of residents in 18 metropolitan municipal and district assemblies. And no, and in here I see, and to this year, you say a dime 7,700 yeah, only affected now so at all on crying. Nanipa ben son de yenhu
7.
Yes.
7.
Yeah.
But I'm a report I made today.
Yes.
I think they're massaging it for us.
The report is that
yes.
Officially almost say 7. But when only be so kasa
yes.
the figures that they are giving families that they know have lost or can't find their relatives are more than 7.
It goes beyond 7. So I don't massaging it. I don't massaging it for
families. I won't cry.
I'm not going to Tanko. Y0u, mommy. When God got upset with mankind, they are not the same. So, when the gods are upset, they are not punishing humanity. The Busa question. Check all the biblical account. And are you? Oh, whenever the gods are upset, are they already punishing you by a natural disaster? Natural disasters on your job, you But now I'm telling you this. The gods are upset. To the extent of that staff house in your flooded. Yes, to stop a flood and cars off for no more and crying in Y0u. Because Y0u off on us for them. Y0u. Come cook no matter. Jadobrem cook no matter. Jadobrem cook no matter.
Because any N0w no, that's why it's in fine. Mosha last week at the end. Drip machine baako bedru hanum sei no ofi wagyabawe ene baaye baabi akọ ni free baaye de yanim police ni so nim driver na no wono ne de drip machine ne baaye no wo operate no ono ni betimi a kire baabi akọ ni free baaye o receive call ni wie ya wose yese won fam car ne mra offer drip machine na wode ababa se nwia ne wo kwan ne so no drip machine na enye assembly ne dia drip machine na eye Ghana exika and ye de toye drip machines na ye Ghana japade no what dia ba ye Ghana adwuma no assembly obi afrani fi assembly hono mo say offer drip machines ni mramesi office obi me politics wo mi video ya say obi hu me ya bra ne ya model ya bra ne ya model endra MTTD officer wobo car ne ho wobo drip machine ne ho and wopa driver na chow mesrawo sekudi at tuwa bi fi se kwan no both sides nyina block cars no wen wa ha wo mu nti bi twa mo ko ba bi o mo ko MTTD
Numa president Obaye so Obabe solve Ghanaians problem. President Obaye so be creating Numa di ama youth. President ne baya watem $27 million e de akwa akoto sanity pad de abecha mankola. So we a journalist. Na wote. Y0u ya. Ibesiga no man Ghana na nya ne ntuma pafuda. So we a journalist. Now what's a war fight for Ghana? Fight for propaganda. Fight for personal interest. Fight for selfishness. And yes, Kumasi Kurase. What's the would year 24 hours economy policy? A best then as a market in a wako CSC Kuranaseno. A be contain 24 hours economy policy. Yay. What are some more kind? Or say $40 so. Na dollar na wa tesono intime reflected to nimpa bra ba wonye hwe. What $1 so? Enso nioma boa yedin. What $1 so? Enso yen twade. What $1 so? Youth ni adwuma ye. What $1 so? Nurses gufia wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Teachers gufia wie school wo mu nya adwuma nye. What $1 so? Yes, hospitals no. Woman nimpa woman beda so. $1 so. Yentua nurses ka. $1 so. Yentua teachers ka. Indidie pa na echere se amambo na NDC bu na ye papa. Die na echere. Se dollar was 11 cedi. Se dollar no. Se dollar it was 17 cedi. And then na ku
Also for so partner say when this party. So ne for so be also. So you cannot rescue Ghana. But catch up boko. Me na my say I'm very calm because mba no we are fragile. We catch up plan. Kawano atum. A Dr. Baumia went to me for number from Ghana for name Dr. Baumia. Obi any more boss ko na work ano. Ghana for name no. Yet outside we know him. All my Ben also they know him. And you can never bring such a person down, my dear. Tempest who said the table will turn one day. And after that, what next? Even the next NDC government or administration will not consider you. They are using you temporarily. It is show who see that can one at all. When you must say, me no baby, the problems mum never brought now. So shut up. I'm a Obushwan for okay? Good.
So Kennedy Japan saying he's left the party.
I haven't heard it. I have not heard it. And
that is brother.
If it is, if I have never been heard about his brother, I only heard about him.
Right.
And like I am, when you are in a political party, it does not mean whether your brother should also be in a political party. I don't know whether he's also there.
No,
so for this comment, I haven't heard it. So if indeed that is what he said, maybe it can be true and it can be false. It's left with Honorable Kennedy or Hina Japan to dispute that. And we talk about a committee. He talked about a committee that was set up in Ashanti region because of Kennedy. I put it on record here from the National Secretariat of the party. No committee was set up in Ashanti region purposely for Kennedy or Hini Ajapon. We set up one committee headed by Professor Reverend Mike Okay.
Oh, what are we talking about?
To investigate and also to interact with the party people and come out with the report. And that is something that has been done. Again, the huge defeat that happened in this country for the first time was 2016. 2016. The 2024 is just the second, overlapping that of the 2016. The NDC was slapped with a huge defeat.
Yeah, close to 1 million, you say.
Yes. Today, and look, it disintegrated the entire NDC. Oh, I visited him in Techiman when they sat down to do a collation. This man could not even drink his tea.
Oh, you are talking about
computer. They could not even come with resource. And let me tell you.
Kwa sheni ma papa na dan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia yedema o man we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia eden e dichere Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya ma mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency on my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders a KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party, another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is intimate because of time. But those ones it go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and the go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. Ese keska no kan kan de wasa botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for ya comfort. Name my comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem keke mu kaka. Why are they shouting? Obi an kana no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Market women no nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. Obi an kana no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 do they will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open nkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia ye nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye nkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open nkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open nkete. Is any one. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani say o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi. Digitalization en to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. E dey Rajon Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo dey oh na mo dey onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto aba na ma boom mo to aba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kra de menu now to me who letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam eh Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe the letter now was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma order and onya juma order amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say o di pa ne boa.